God go dey bless you, oh. As you dey watch, He go dey bless you. God go bless you, oh. As you dey watch, He go dey bless you more. Editorial and the Miss Family, oh. Editorial and the Miss Family, oh. Our editorial and the Miss Family, oh. Our editorial and the Miss Family, oh. Oh no, we got many things for you. Many things for you. We got many things for you. We got lifestyle, we get comedy. We sabi kuku getting melody. Everything nice, we go give 'em more energy. Hey. We know they like trouble, we a happy family. We a family of four. On your way to make I tell you the more. Man, see me, Mama is a big cuckoo. He's ready to do anything for his family too. Mama B&B, know they like trouble. Very hard working, she the hustle double. Baby baby, Mama she beautiful. Baby baby, Mama she beautiful too. So we say, we love you, love you all. We adore you, We adore you, hey. We say thank you, thank you. Oh yeah, subscribe, thumbs up. Tell your friends, let them join too. Subscribe, thumbs up.
Hey guys, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? So you're welcome back to my kitchen. You're welcome back to today's video. And you're welcome back to Editorial and Emmy's Family. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be taking you in this cooking process. I want to cook ofede, my husband's tongue. Bitter leaf soup. So here is my bitter leaf. Bitter leaf right now is so expensive that if you even have small, just be thankful to God. Despite that it's not imported, but yet still very expensive. So I want to actually cook my bitter leaf soup. This bitter leaf has been washed, rinsed, and of course remaining to cut it. And yeah, the protein that I'm going to be using in this soup is one here. I have goat meat, just a little portion of goat meat in here, and two, I have in here my cow head. No, not shield. Ishi nama. So I have here my goat cow head, basically some meat and some pomo. As in Nigeria, as an African, if you never eat pomo for inside your soup, you never eat. I'm just checking to see if this is up. So the very next thing I need here is my stockfish, which is washed already. I was supposed to show you all of this washing process and catch fun with you, give you some exciting, some juicy story time while I wash all of these things, but unfortunately that was not done. Anyway, so in here I have my black catfish. Alright, so yeah, basically those are the things, those are the protein that I'm gonna be needing for this my bitter leaf soup. So this is them here. Haha. See that? It's night already, like it's almost 6 o'clock, so this video might not be bright today, but since there's generator, you guys are going to be tolerating the generator noise because we need lights to make sure that this video is bright. Alright, so let us do some little washing. The only thing that has not been washing here is this goat meat, which we're going to be doing that right now. We've already cut the onion, pepper is set, fresh pepper is set, and of course you have to season the soup, maggi and salt. And yeah, so let's do some little cooking. You guys know your girl likes to do some little large pots of soup. The reason why I love to cook so that I won't have to be cooking every day, since I have a lot of responsibilities, a lot of job, lots of things, yeah, that your girl does, you know, so I don't have to bury all of my efforts in just cooking. Okay, so let me just wash this small meat. I just love the flavor of goat meat in soup, you know, so that's why I had to divide this goat meat and then use it for this bitter leaf soup, because I'm going to be using goat meat in my stew tomorrow. I'll be making stew. So the meat is ready. Now let's pack everything into the pot. Alright guys, so the third pot I'm going to put in my pot is this cow meat, and I'm going to more especially select the pomo part. I'm going to select the pomo part to put beneath the pot, so that that side can cook very well. Your cow head has a lot of pomo. And then that's my meat, you know, and I have my goat meat here too. Which goat meat does not need too much of fire, but I'm still gonna be cooking it together. Alright, so the next thing I'll be putting is my stock fish. When I'm putting a stock fish in the pot, some people just love to just leave it like that inside. For me, I like to just pieces it a little, just a little. Although when it's wet, shall. If it's not wet, you can't pieces it. Oops, don't try that. Cannot come and go and lose my hand. So the stockfish is put in the pot now. The black African cat fish. No, if you're not African, if you're not Nigerian, you cannot eat black fish. I'm kidding, guys. So I'm gonna be putting some onion, although I've actually already put some onion in this, and my pepper. My pepper is blocked. I always tell my people not to use, like, not to cut something inside a plate, so that it will not break. And now I'm the one doing it. Look at them. Look at their facial expression. Look at them. They are looking at each other. I'll be like, you're the one that's only saying don't do that. Now you're doing it. You know, the pepper is not too strong, Sha. But of course, don't try that. Alright, so let me put some pepper, you guys. You know, this is okay. Alright, so I need to put just a little salt to taste, you know, so that the food can be as beautiful as Nanapi and baby, you know. But you both say is don't mind me.
and start catching it.
There's pepper in my hand. Oh yeah, sleep. Put your head and sleep.
Agbaya. The sister has slept. You want someone to carry you before you sleep. Huh?
How about you be doing that? That's not nice.
Alright, so I'm going to be putting, please help me put fire. I'm going to be putting just a little water inside until we can parboil our fish, our protein basically.
God go dey bless you all. I say they watch it, go dey bless you. God go bless you all. I say they watch it, go dey bless you more. Editorial and them miss family. Editorial and them miss family. Our editorial and them miss family. Our editorial and them miss family. Oh no. We got many things for you. Many things for you. We got many things for you. We got lifestyle.
Sorry. Oh yeah.
I'm calling the meat.
The kitchen is for Elizabeth tonight.
Yeah, so
Say yes, so if I catch you there, if I catch you there, as if that you watch all those things.
I'm calling the meat so that the seasoning
Yeah,
will get inside.
yeah. Yes, my baby.
Yeah.
Until you put 10 minutes for me.
What?
10 minutes for me.
10. If only you eat 10 minutes at a go. What will you now eat before the soup finish?
This is vegetable. So they want that this is the garlic.
There's plenty meat in this pot. Until you say this meat is how much all of them?
All of them is 35,000.
Meat.
Only yes.
That means
It's cow head.
meat is for rich people.
You're not serious. Are you not eating meat? So it therefore means that you're rich, right?
Yes, because if you see meat 500, oh, 3 pieces.
Anyway, guys, so I bought goat and I still keep on saying goat. Cow head, the whole of the cow. The whole of the cow head. That's what it is. We're about to wash it. And look at the enjoyment this madam is enjoying.
This is what I feel like eating, so I do it at it.
That's what you feel like eating.
In this house, what you feel like eating is available. You eat it and eat it.
What?
I'm just laughing at what she does. What you want to eat? Don't chat here for soup. You pack your bag and be going to anywhere.
No, I mean if I cook a fan soup, don't I portion it for
The
everybody?
portion and give you your own.
I got your own
Mm-hmm.
If she carry 2 plates, you carry 2 plates the same way she carry.
Mm-hmm.
But it's only that she dey eat her own fast. That's the only thing.
Because I eat my own every day.
Yes.
And now what?
Start borrowing her own.
Now let me tell you what I like in this house. When she finish cooking this soup, she can leave the soup. I will portion the soup. Everybody will have the same plate, the same no oga, no madam. The same plate, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4. So anyhow you want to eat every time, you eat your own. Nobody will stop. You have Gary one back. Say more.
Before you know before people that saying it is showing off. Because the last time I did, that time that we were arranging our store, people were saying, oh, why are you showing off? And I'm like, what am I even showing off?
What is off?
Showing off, like, explain.
Showing off like
You're using what you have to do, yanga, something.
Wow.
That's just a literal meaning.
No, nah, come on.
arrange store, is it English?
I'm just telling
I don't
you that
know.
we have a lot of food here. In case I don't pass, it's my fault. But this madam here now.
Your face is dark. Come to this side.
This madam here, edits, know how to force me to eat.
You don't call my name like that.
Okay,
You call me with respect.
Oh, sorry. My sister, Victoria, and Emily. Of course, I will say my sis. So anytime I say my sis, understand, I'm talking to her. So she forced me a lot to eat food. So I can go back to my. This is not my normal body.
This is not my real face.
This is not my respect. This is my respect.
God go dey bless you all. As you dey watch, He go dey bless you. God go bless you all. As you dey watch, He go dey bless you more. Editorial and the Miss Family. Editorial and the Miss Family. Our editorial and the Miss Family. Our editorial and the Miss Family. Oh no. We got many things for you. Many things for you. We got many things for you. We got lifestyle, we get comedy. We sabi kuku getting melody. Everything nice, we go give 'em more energy. Hey. We know they like trouble, we are happy family. We are family of four. On your way to make I tell you the more. Man, see me, is a big kuku. He's ready to do anything for his family too. Mama B&B, know they like trouble. Very hard working, she the hustle double. Baby baby, how much she beautiful. Baby baby, how much she beautiful too. So we say, we love you all. Love you all. We adore you. Hey, we say thank you all. Thank you. Oh yeah, subscribe, thumbs up. Tell your friends, may they enjoy too. Subscribe, thumbs up. Tell your family, may they enjoy too. Subscribe, thumbs up. Tell your friends, may they enjoy too. Subscribe.
I hear you. Oh yeah, now. Okay. Okay, no worries. No, you don't tell me first. Alright, no problem. No problem. Thank you. Thank you, babe. Bye. Hey guys, so I'm almost done with my soup. You're gonna see the end result in a plate, So yeah, it's my cup of soup. Thank you, you're like, Auntie got now. Alright guys, so this is my bitter leaf soup. Yeah, so I'm using the night lights. This is how it looks like. So yummy, guys. Come join me. Come join me.
So you have some more for it.